Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel At Home with Nancy. If you're new here, At Home with Nancy is all about interior decor, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things fancy. And if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button so y'all could join the most high gang. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of a beautiful luxury bag, and like y'all know already in the thumbnail, it's the Teddy Blake New York bag. So this is my first Teddy Blake item, and I just want to say I'm very thankful to Teddy Blake for sponsoring this video and for sending me this beautiful bag. So Teddy Blake New York is a upcoming luxury brand that sells beautiful designer bags, like really beautiful. So Teddy Blake New York launched years back, and they decided to create a luxury handbag line that are very much more affordable. So, which is why I really got very interested in this bag, because first of all, we have a lot of luxury bags that are very pricey, that are in the thousands, but with Teddy Blake you have so much more. You know, you have beautiful colors, beautiful shapes, beautiful like hardwares, and just name it all. It's all there. So this bag, I decided to look into it, and it is affordable, but it is actually in the hundreds. For example, this handbag right now that I'm about to unbox was actually around $250. Yeah, but compared to majority of other designer brands, it's very much more affordable, right? Because it's not in the thousands. And then you still get the luxury feel because, like I said, this bag in this box, it's actually made in Italy. So with beautiful luxury leather, which is why I feel like it's a good bag to invest in. All right. So now let's first of all talk about the packaging. So of course with designer handbags, you do have beautiful packaging. And of course, me being me, I do get like sold just by looking at the packaging alone, because I feel like if I am paying money, good amount, I really do want beautiful packaging, nice packaging. So first of all, here's the packaging. Sorry, I do have a dent here in the box, and that was just me mishandling it. But the packaging is so beautiful. It comes in this black and white cardboard, and it is a magnetic box. So right here, you can see, yeah, so it's very much more magnetic, which I do like. And it does have Teddy Blake New York written on the outside. And then when you do proceed to opening the box, it does say Teddy Blake New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Okay? All right. So now let's just open the bag. So let's just proceed to see what's in the box, right? So it does have the little paper on it, and here's the bag. Okay. So it comes really well wrapped. A plastic bag, a bubble wrap to preserve the bag from damages. So it does have the dust bag, very soft dust bag. It says Teddy Blake New York. It is drawstring. Okay, I'm gonna see. Here's the bag. So this is the Teddy Blake New York Clio bag. This is a 8-inch bag. It does have like beautiful leather with nice beautiful texture right here. I do really like the texture. And it does have good hardware here. I'm just gonna bring it forward so you appreciate the bag. Okay. Here's the back of the bag. It's just a very beautiful, smooth leather. And you can see the stitching. It's so beautiful. And just look at the stitching in front. So nice. Gonna unlock the bag. Right here. Okay. Okay, so here's the bag. So inside, it does have this beautiful, like, nice soft leather. It's kind of like suede on the inside, but it's so nice. It's so soft. It does have an extra pocket in here in case you do want to put like your card holder or something else. Of course, it's big enough to fit my iPhone right here comfortably. And of course, this still has enough space to put in my card holder, lip gloss, and, you know, maybe a little sunglasses inside of it too. But yeah, but it does fit your phone, which is a big plus for me because, of course, I do like carrying my phone around. And of course, I don't like holding it in my hand because I don't want to lose it. So now this bag does fit. All right. So now let's talk about the hardware. So it does have a chain on it. So it does have this beautiful gold chain. So you could wear it crossbody and it drops to like your hip. I am 5'4" and this drops to my hip. And then you could also wear it as a shoulder bag like this. So if I wanted to wear it as a shoulder bag, it's still like very good size. And then if I do want, let's say, the chain to be smaller, to be shorter, I could actually bring this long one in, maybe tie it with like a hair scrunchie, and then just have it like this. And of course, if I also do not want to wear it like this, and I don't want any like straps, I could also just tuck everything in, like right here now. Just tuck it in, close it, unlock it, and just hold it like this. So I really do like this bag. I do love the shape. It's like a semicircle in shape. So it's so beautiful. I picked this bag just because of how unique it is. And if you're looking on the screen right here, I do have videos of Teddy Blake website. Beautiful bags they have. Huge selection. You could get work bag there. You could get going out bag. You could get dinner bags. Just a huge selection. You could get top handle bags, as you can see. It's so beautiful. So many colors, so many styles, so many shapes. But for me, this Cleo did it for me. I do have a beautiful pink shoes, like blush pink, just like this. And I feel like this bag will go well with it. So this beautiful bag, it's in a blush slash, should I say, light pink color. And I am wearing a pink dress, as you can see, but it's still a little like different compared to the dress. If you could look at this dress right now, like the shades of pink are a little different. And I just want you to see, and I appreciate the color. It's a beautiful pink, and I really do like it. And I picked this bag because I feel like it will match my pink shoes. And I feel like I did a good job, and I made the right choice. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And like I said, this is a beautiful luxury designer bag. It's a beautiful brand. It's an upcoming brand, and I feel like it's gonna really go far because I do love their leather. It is soft. It is very unique. The stitching is beautiful. And of course, who wouldn't like luxury bag for a lot less? A lot less. Like instead of paying thousands, you pay hundreds, you know? Like I said, this bag was around $250, you know, and most of their bags on their websites are around $200, so $500, majority of the bags. So yeah, so check out the website and let me know what you think. And of course, let me know what you think about my Cleo bag in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later in my next video. Mwah!